Why is repurposing defunct satellite parts crucial for space? Imagine a satellite floating in space, having completed its mission but still holding valuable parts. Instead of letting it become space junk, scientists and engineers see an opportunity. Repurposing parts from old satellites is becoming a key part of the space industry. It helps extend the life of existing assets, saving money and resources. Many satellites orbit Earth 4 years after their main tasks are done, but they are still mostly intact. Instead of launching new satellites from scratch, companies can upgrade or reuse these old parts. This approach cuts costs because building new satellites is expensive and takes years. It also reduces the amount of space debris, which is a growing problem. Space debris can cause collisions that damage active satellites and create even more trash. By reusing parts, we can give old satellites new functions or prepare them for controlled deorbiting, which helps keep space cleaner. Advances in technology now allow for repairing, refueling, or upgrading satellites remotely. These services are called satellite servicing and are becoming more common. They make it possible to fix or upgrade satellites without sending new ones into space. This is especially useful for satellites in hard-to-reach orbits. Reusing satellite parts also supports the emerging space economy. It encourages sustainable practices and lowers the environmental impact of space activities. For example, designing satellites with modular parts makes refurbishment easier. Some companies are even developing 3D printers in space that can recycle plastic waste into new components. This creates a circular economy in space, where materials are reused instead of discarded. Updating software or hardware on existing satellites can also help them perform new tasks, like different types of communication or scientific research. This flexibility makes space infrastructure more adaptable and cost-effective. Of course, there are challenges, such as the technical difficulty of in-orbit recycling and legal questions about who is responsible for servicing activities. Still, the benefits are clear. Reusing parts from old satellites helps manage space traffic, reduces costs, and supports sustainable growth in the space industry. Overall, repurposing defunct satellite parts is a smart way to make space activities more responsible, efficient, and aligned with the future of the space economy.